Hi, let me go through a roofing business website and create the top 10 checklist for issues that are really important to fix. Now, this is an example website. Let me go through all the issues on this website and show you what you can do on your website to improve the ranking. The first thing you have to do is you have to check the metadata for your website. If you are using brand name like these guys have done, then there's no need to add this because Google automatically shows the brand name. So this space should be used for adding more keywords, and you have to do the same in the description. There's no need to add the brand name and in the description. Instead, use this for adding more keywords, but make them natural. Don't stuff the keywords. It's not going to help. As you can see, when you just search your brand name, you'll see your brand name or the link of your website. So there's no need to add it again. So instead of that, use keywords. So let me create a checklist for top 10 issues. No brand name in the metadata. Other than that, we have to find keywords that are really important, and we have to incorporate those into the SEO titles and descriptions. So we have to make sure that those keywords have low keyword difficulty, so the website will get faster results. So yeah, the second thing we have to do is we have to keywords with low competition into the metadata. So this is the second thing we have to do. And the third thing, let me go on the website. The third important thing to look into is the H1 heading tag. So this is the main heading. The H1 should be your main heading. So if this is your main heading, then you have to add the H1 heading tags to this main heading. Right now you can see there's no H1 heading tag. It's really important to add one H1 heading tag. The third thing is to add one H1 heading tag each page instead of just home page. The fourth thing after the H1 heading tag is image alt tags. You have to add image alt tags to all of your images, and if you can, you have to add right titles to the images. But what really important is the image alt tag, and we can create natural image alt tags with keywords as well. So this is really important for ranking. And this is the fourth one: add image alt tags to the images on all pages. The next thing after image alt tag is to check the URL structure for the inner pages like residential. When you click on residential, you can see it's redirecting to the home page. And this is really important. It should open a page that says residential within the URL. And this is really important for better ranking. If you create a good URL structure for higher ranking, then you'll get good results. So it should be better URL structure for higher rankings. And then the next thing, let me check another page and see. They have added just commercial. Instead of commercial, adding commercial roofing services, you'll get more clicks, like you'll get higher ranking because Google wants keywords in the URL. So this is really important, and you have to add keywords into the URL. This is really important. And other than that, let me take a look at the metadata. You guys can see they didn't optimize the SEO title and description. In this page is missing the H1 heading tag as well. The image alt tags have been fixed, but they are not optimized for higher ranking. We can incorporate some keywords into the alt tags and make them a bit natural. This is really important. The next thing that's really important is schema data. We have to make sure that the website contains local schema, because roofing businesses are local businesses and Google wants to see local business schema. To verify that, you have to open validator.schema.org, and then you can check the schema on this page. As you can see, they have added web page schema, which is not what the business is. We have to add local schema to roofing businesses. So local schema is really important for roofing businesses. So this is really important. The next thing after schema is to check if the site has duplicate content. To do that, you have to go to a site called siteliner.com, and then you have to insert the website URL and click on go. This tool will crawl all pages and display if the pages contain duplicate content. Google doesn't want to see duplicate content on multiple pages because it confuses Google in selecting the actual page for that content. That's why it's really important to check the pages for duplicate content. If the duplicate content percentage is over 20%, then we have to go through all those pages and make sure that each of the page contains unique content. Crawling this site, it says 15% duplicate content, which is fine. It's the content from the footer in the sidebar. So this is not something that's going to leave a negative impact on the ranking. If it's over 20%, then it needs to be fixed. So check duplicate English NKP consistency. Its name, address, and phone. you have to add this to the footer, like you have to add the name of the business on the top, and then you have to add the address, name, address, and phone. The name should be over in this area, and then the address, and then the phone number. So this is how you have to populate your contact information in the footer. So this is really important. Right now, this website is address and phone numbers, but not the name. They have added the logo, but if you can adding your name here, it's going to help in the ranking. Yes, you are going to use the same information to make business listings on different local directories. The next thing after NAP is schema data on your FAQ pages. So this is really important. If you can add schema data to your FAQs, it's going to help in the ranking. Now, let me check the schema for FAQs. You can open the validator.schema.org site again and then run the test for this particular URL. And you can see there's no FAQ schema on the FAQs page. So it's really important, and this should be our mind. This is important if you have added FAQs to your website. If it's on your home page, then you have to add the FAQ schema on your home page. I hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I'll then ask your questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.